Core activation technique, prone cobras. Lay in the prone position on your mat. Your hands will place face down next to your hips. Dig your toes into the ground as if you're going to do a push-up. And then pinch the shoulder blades back and down away from your ears while rotating the thumbs outward and up to the sky. The focus is the middle back here, so we want to maintain that pinch, but you're also going to lift the arms up as high as you can. This is an isometric exercise, meaning that you hold it for a period of time similar to a plank. If you have any pre-existing low back issues, then focus less on arching up and more on pinching of the shoulders.